today we're going to talk about the bus stop method. Okay, and bus stop method is division. That's the operation that we're talking about. So, like in everything that we do, our steps to success, so we know that we can climb up the stairs and go yay at the end to know that we've succeeded. We have 4 steps. Okay, so we have step 1 is that we have to put our sum in our back to front upside down L. Okay, we have to put it in our bus stop method line, so that looks like that. We then have to write out our multiples, so all of the answers of the times table that we're looking at. Then we need to think how many, and then we have to, or we might have to, carry a remainder, and that's my sign for remainder. Okay, so we're going to do it a couple of questions together, and I'm going to show you how it's done, and then you're going to have a go and post your pictures of your work in our comment section. Okay, so get my green pen. Our first question is going to be 336 divided by 2. Okay, nice easy one just to start with. So our first step to success says that we've got to put it into our bus stop method chart. So I'm going to put that here. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to put your big number in your lines, in your half a rectangle. And then this number goes here, and it's this number. So I'm going to put a circle around this world, is what we're dividing into. So we need to write our multiples of our 2 times table down. Okay, so we've got 2 multiples of 2, so we already know that multiple 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're not going to go any further until we need to. Okay, so the next step says how many. So it's how many times does 2 go into 3? And we can use our multiples list that we've done at the side. So we're trying to get to 3. Have we got a 3 in this list? Nope. Okay, so now we have to try and get to our closest without going over. And that is 2. Because 3's here and then 4. And 4 is higher than 3, so we can't have that. So we're going to circle that. And that tells us that one group of 2 fits into 3. So I'm going to put my 1 there. Okay. Now, with this one, the step 4 is necessary because we've got to carry a remainder because we've only made the number 2. We didn't make the number 3. So if I had 2 and I wanted to make 3, how many more do I need? Excellent. I need that 1 more. So I'm going to carry that remainder over to there. That little one. So now my next how many question is how many 2's go into 13? Because that 1 and that joins that 3 to make 13. So we're now going to go all the way up to our multiples, our step 2. And I'm thinking, right, can I find number 13 in there? No. Why is that? Oh, because I haven't gone high enough. Okay, so I need to add more multiples to my list. So we got to 10. 10 of 2 is 12. 12 of 2 is 14. I can keep going if I wanted to. I'm going to stop there. What number am I trying to make? Yeah, 13. So can I find 13 in there? No, I can't. I can't find 13. Where would 13 be? Yeah, in between 12 and 14. So it should be there, but it's our 2 times table. 13 is an odd number. It's not an even number. It's not in our 2 times table. So what's the next closest without going over? Excellent. Our 12. So how many groups of 2 went into 13? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put 6 there. But did I make 13? No. How many do I need to carry on? How many have I got remaining? Remaining. Excellent, I've got another 1 remaining. So now I need to find, have I got 2? How many 2s go into 16? Remember that 1 and that 6 joined together. 16. Secretly a 10. Okay, let's look at our list. Have I got 16 in there? Yes. That's nice. Okay. So how many groups of 2 go into 16? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So the answer, 336 divided by 2 is 168. Yeah? Let's try it again. And this time we'll do it with a different number here. So let's do, I'm going to write that one here. Let's do 856 divided by 4. Okay, my first step to success. Yep, I need to put it in my bus stop method. So I need to do my half rectangle or my L backwards upside down L shape there. Okay, my big number goes in. And then this number we circle like we've circled here, because that tells us what we're dividing it by, and that goes here. Okay, so we've drawn our bus stop method. We know the multiples, but there's a step on this multiples. Yeah, we need to write our list. Well done. Okay, so we're going to be counting in 4s this time. So 4, 8, 12, 16. I'm going to stop there because I don't know how far I need to go. So how many? So how many times does 4 go into 8? Have I got 8 on my multiples list? I have indeed. So how many groups? 1, 2. Excellent. Did I make 8? I did. So it doesn't matter about step 4. Brilliant. Okay. This time we've got to think of how many for our next number. So how many 4s go into 5? Have I got 5 in my multiples list? No. Oh, it's going to be one of those again. Okay. So where would 5 go? You're right, it'd go after the 4. So the 4 must be my closest. How many groups is that? Exactly 1, but I didn't quite make it. I only made 4. I wanted to make 5. So I need to carry over 1 remainder. Excellent. What does this number now mean? It's not number 6, it's a number... Excellent, it's a number 16. Have I got 16 on my list? Well, luck has it. Okay, so how many groups of 4 go into 16? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can check that because we know that 4 times 4 equals 16. Remember that inverse to division is times in, so we can always check our answer. All right, so we've got 856 divided by 4 equals 214. Okay, bus stop method is only used if you're dividing by 1 digit. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to get your dice from your board games and things, remember? And I want you to roll it once. That gives me a 6. So I'm going to put that there. I want to roll you twice. That gives me 6 again. Okay. I want you to roll it a 3rd time. Really? Okay. 6. So I've got my 3 digits that I'm going to divide by 1 digit. I'm going to put a line across there so we remember that's the task. And I'm going to roll this, and I'm going to roll it really, really well by 2. I want you to roll your dice to get your sum. And then you need to follow our steps to success to do the bus stop method. So roll it 3 times to get your big number. Roll it once to get by how many you're dividing by. Okay, so quick, come on then. Step to success. Step 1, pop it into a bus stop method line. My big number goes where? You are right, it goes in the middle of my half rectangle. And where does this number go? Excellent. Brilliant. So we know that we need to write our multiples. So we're doing our 2's again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Just so we're clear. Did I really need to go up to 10? No, well done, because actually we know that we're only going to be trying to make 6. So how many times, number 3, how many times does 2 go into 6? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 4, 6. I can make it. How many groups is that? 1, 2, 3. And you can check that because 3 times 2 is 6. Do I need to do step 4? Nope. Okay, then we go back to step 3. Can I do it again? How many 2's into 6? We already know that answer. Do I need to do step 4? No, I don't have to carry anything. I made the number that I wanted to make. Step 3 again. How many 2's go into 6? Well, we know. It's 3. All right. So have a go. Get rolling. Roll it 3 times to get your big number. Roll it once more to get your the number that you're dividing by. So this is bus stop method, dividing by 1-digit number. Take photos. I can't wait to see.